Okay, so let's continue 7.1 extra questions, okay, multiple choice. The last time I gave you 5 questions, so today we'll do 2 more questions and then we'll move on to the next exercise. Got it? So this one's a little bit easy. In the given triangles, 2 triangles are given here. How are they conquered? So they have given us this angle as 45 degrees. This is 45, okay. This is 30. This is also 30. This is 45. Got it? So this is 45. In case you can't see, this is 30. This one is 45 and this one is 30 degrees each. And then this is 7 centimeter and this is also 7 centimeter. So what do I always tell you? I always tell you to draw the diagrams exactly the same. So this is this, right? So let me just do this in rough figure. So A, C, B, 30, 45 and 7 is here. So I'm going to draw this one also exactly the same like this. Okay, same direction. And then I'm going to place 30 here in advance and then 45 here in advance and then write 7 here. Now the naming will be according to this. So yeah, the 30 the 30 is here, X side. So 30 is on X side. 45 is on Z. So 45 is Z. And then the other one is Y. So XZ is 7 centimeter. We're getting that. Angle Z is 45 and angle X is 30. So now we're matching 30, 30, 45, 45, 7, 7. So let's see CAB. See, we're going like this. So this should also go like this. YZX it should be, but it's not YZX, it's XZY. So this is not the one. CAB is still this, and then YZX. So YZX is going like this. So this is not the one. ABC is going like this. ABC starting from here going like this. So XYZ is going the opposite way. See, ABC is going this ABC, but XYZ is going the other way. So this is not it. So which means this is it, I guess. ABC is going like this. XZY. See, first this, next this, next this. First this, next this, next this. So this is exactly the same. So this is the one. Got it? Next, question number 7. Last question from this exercise, and then we're gonna move on to the next exercise. Okay. So in the given figure, in this figure, AC is equal to AE, which is already marked the double dash. Okay. And then AB is equal to AD, which is also marked the single dash. And then angle BAD, which is this line, this angle. And then EAC is this angle. So those are the equal ones. This and this is equal, this line and this line is equal, this line and this line is equal. It doesn't mean that this line is equal to this line. Okay, the double dash are equal, single dash are equal, but the double dash and single dash, we don't know about them because they never mention anything about it, right? So which of the following is true? Triangle ABD. So let's first, because the options we get is that 2 triangles are concurrent here, right? So let's see which 2 triangles are concurrent first. We cannot say that this triangle and this triangle is concurrent, okay? Because if I draw this triangle ABD, and then if I draw that triangle AEC, we know that angle A and this BAD and CAE is equal. These 2 are equal and these 2 are equal, but like I've already told you, this 2 is equal, but we don't know about this and this. This 2 is equal, but we don't know about this and this. So this and this might be completely different also. So we cannot say that these 2 triangles are equal just because this angle is equal in between them. So we cannot do this one, so we are going to rule this out. So this is what we're going to do. Okay, let me show you. this angle, right? This one is, see, if you look at this triangle ABC, ABC, if you look at triangle ABC, angle BAC is this one. Angle BAC is this one, right? BAC, the whole thing is the angle. So this one is the angle BAC. But this angle is made up of what? This angle and this angle, right? It's made up of two angles, this one and this one. Now let me take another triangle, which is ADE. ADE is this one, okay? This one. See, it's coming out like this, it's coming out like this. So in triangle ADE, in triangle ADE and ADE, the angle DAE, which is this entire angle. This entire angle is made up of two angles here also, this and this. But we know that this angle and this angle is equal, and both the angles, see, this for this bigger angle and for this bigger angle also, for this angle also, they are both sharing the common angle this, which is not. So let me just redraw the diagram, okay, once, okay. It's somewhat like this and this, I guess. So in the question they have given us that this is equal to this. So if this is 30, okay, and this is 30, and then this is 20, so what will be this? This will be 50, right? Because this is 30 plus 20. And what will be this? This will also be 50 because it's 30 plus 20. So this is 30 and this is 20. So 30 plus 20. So this one will be 50 and this one will be 50. So this and this will be equal. Got it? So that's what I'm trying to tell you. Since this angle is made up of this and this, and this angle is made up of this and this and this are equal, and this is being shared. So these two should also be equal, just like this. They've given us that this and this is equal, which is 30, 30. The middle one is 20. So if I add 20 to this thing will become 50, and this thing will also become 50. So I can say that this angle, this one, is equal to this angle, this one, which is not this one, 30 plus 20. So this angle and this angle is equal, we just showed. And then AB is equal to AD. We don't have AD here, AD is here, right? And then AE we don't have here, so AE is this one, equal to AC is here. So which means this two triangle is congruent because this side and this side is equal, this angle and this angle is equal, this side and this side is equal. The only complicated part is the angle. I hope you already understood that. So if we look here, what can we do about this thing? What can we say? So triangle ABD, there's no ABD here, so first one is crossed off. ABD is still here, ABD 9 ABC is here. So ABC is congruent to ACE, but this is not ACE, it's ADE. So ABC is congruent to ADE. So this is the correct answer. Got it? So that's the question and that's the answer. So let's start this thing. Exercise 7.2, and exercise 7.2, it's not that much of a difference from 7.1. okay, the only thing you have to know is isosceles triangles. Isosceles triangles means if in a triangle two sides are equal and then the angles on the side of the two angles side equal corner angle equal. So these two sides is equal and the angles on the corners of the equal sides are also equal. Okay, that's isosceles triangle. So if you know that property, then it's more than enough. So from 7.2, let's do some questions. So in triangle ABC, let's draw a triangle ABC. A, B, C such that AB is equal to AC. Angle B is 70. So I literally told you in isosceles triangle, if these two sides are equal, these two angles should also be equal. So if this is 70, this should also be 70. Then angle A, we have to find angle A. So by angle sum property, we can say that angle A, which we don't know, plus 70 equal to 180 degrees. Not because in a triangle there's always 180 degrees, sum of the three angles. So angle A plus 140 equal to 180. Angle A equal to 180 minus 140 to come on less than 40. So 40 is the correct answer. Done. Got it? Let's try the next question. Question number 2. In triangle ABC, let's draw another triangle ABC. A, B, C. AB is 4 centimeter. So this one is 4 centimeter. Angle A is 50. Angle A is 50 degree, and angle B is 80 degree. Then what is the length of BC? We need to find BC. But see, it's not like two triangles, it's just one triangle. We don't have any clue how to find BC. And we don't know if it's an isosceles triangle or not. If it's an isosceles triangle, we can literally say this is 4, but so how do we know that? How can we know if it's isosceles or not? So I've already told you in isosceles triangle, two angles are always equal, right? Like two sides are equal, two angles are equal. So since two angles are already given, somehow we can find this angle, right? So let's try that. 50 plus 80 plus angle C equal to 180. Now angle sum property. So 50 plus 80 will be 130 plus angle C equal to 180. So angle C equal to 180 minus 130, which we will get 50. So this we're getting 50. If this is 50, these are the equal angles. So equal sides now corner the equal angles together. So these two will be the equal sides since this and these are equal angles. So if this is 4, this will also be 4. That's it. Let's go to question number 3. In triangle ABC, D is a point. Okay, let's draw triangle ABC. A, B, C. D is a point on the interior. So D is inside ABC. We don't know where it is. It might be here, 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 and AB is equal to AC. So we do know that AB and AC is equal, which means angle B and angle C should also be equal. Now they're saying DB is equal to DC. So D is inside ABC such that DB is equal to DC. So it can be here also, okay? DB, DC also, or it can be here also, DB, DC also, doesn't matter. I'm just drawing it in the middle so you can look at it properly. So D. So they're telling us that DB and DC is equal. So since this inner triangle is also an isosceles triangle, we know that this angle, the red angle and the red angle are equal, right? But we said that the big angle and the big angle is equal. So what can you say about this angle and this angle? So this and this, which is the remaining part of the bigger angle and remaining part of the bigger angle, will also be equal, because we literally said that the bigger angle B, the whole angle B and whole angle C is equal, but we just found out that angle this and this is equal. So the remaining portion and the remaining portion should also be equal, right? So which means this angle and this angle will also be equal. Got it? So what are they asking? They're asking ratio of angle ABD. So ABD is the remaining angle to ACD. ACD is the remaining angle. So what do you understand by ratio? Ratio means dividing values. Suppose you are in grade 9, right? And your sister or brother is in grade 12. So the ratio of your class is just division of these two. So 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So the ratio is 3:4, something like that. So if you're finding the ratio of your class with your class, it'll always be what? 1:1, right? If you're finding the ratio of you and your friend of your class, then 9:9 equal to 1:1. But if you're finding it with you and your brother or sister or elder brother or sister who is in grade 12, then it'll be 3:4. So this is the ratio. Okay, so whenever you find the ratio of two same things, it'll always be 1:1. Got it? So since this and this is equal, we just proved it that the ratio will be 1:1. Understood? Okay, let's do one last question for this video. I will be making some few more questions, at least 3 or 4 questions from this exercise, okay, before I move on to the next exercise. So in triangle ABC, let's draw the triangle ABC. If this question you did not understand, what you can do is you can write angle B equal to angle C, okay, and then you can do angle B can be written as angle ABD plus angle DC DBC equal to, in case you feel like you will not understand, ACD plus, and if your exam was not multiple choice, we would have done like this only, okay, but angle DBC equal to angle DCB. So this and this are equal, which means these two we can cut it off, so we're left with ABD equal to ACD. So that's how we get those two is equal. And then ratio means division, so angle ABD divided by angle ACD equal to ABD by ABD. Because they are equal, I can replace this with this, 1:1. So in case you feel like you forget, you can do this also. But itu saya lihat confusing aja itu. Anyway, number 4. In triangle ABC, so we have a triangle ABC. If angle B and angle C are equal, then which of the following is correct? This is very easy. AB equal to AC, AB equal to AC. Done. Kotong. AB equal to BC, no. AC equal to BC also, no. So that's it. In a simple question B, I won't, or a complicated question B, we don't know anything. Anyway, I will be making more questions from this exercise, okay?